Yeah, I saw this story. Elon Musk changed his name to Elona. E-L-O-N-A. There was a Telegram post by Ramzan Kadyrov, the head of the Chechen Republic, and he basically outlined why Elon would be dominated by Putin in a one-on-one match, which was the proposal from Elon previously. He said, here's all the problems. Elon, a word of advice, don't measure your strength against that of Putin's. You're in two completely different leagues, and it's not even about martial arts or judo, for example. How do you see it? Are you in the red corner of the boxing ring, a businessman and Twitter user, and Putin in blue, a world politician and strategist who inspires awe in the West and in the U.S.?
Awe? I don't know about that.
That's A-W-E. Vladimir Vladimirovich will look unsportsmanlike when he beats the hell out of you, a much weaker opponent.
I want to add that in there.
Hey, Will.
What?
Oh, look at this. Devin in the chat says, my work just caught fire. I want to send you my video. It's crazy. Walmart Distribution Center. How do I send the video? This is a live development. Can he send it to you?
Sure. I guess send it to my email.
Can he send it in?
Yeah, Mo, M-O-E at Unbox.
Wait, he should send it to Will.
Yeah.
You can send it to me.
Because Will has to play it.
Yeah.
That makes more sense. Send it to will@lulater.com.
Sure.
Send the video to Will. This is live stuff. What?
Wow, this is exciting.
I mean, he's there. He's on the scene. Live reporting. I mean, this is how it can work over here. Therefore, you'll need to pump up those muscles in order to change from the gentle, effeminate, in brackets, Ilana, into the brutal Elon you need to be. I propose training at one of several centers in the Chechen Republic. Russian Special Forces University. Here, you will undergo firearms training with World Championship Special Forces, who beat U.S. Special Forces in 2015 like it was nothing. Akhmat Fight Club. This is where you'll be trained to take a punch, a quality needed in any fight. Under the guidance of Abuzayed Vizmuradov, you will learn to quickly pull yourself up, not just physically, but also mentally, giving you nerves of steel. Then you go to Grozny Chechen State Television and Radio Broadcasting Company. You will practice within the walls of Grozny, where they will tell you about American methods of black PR and teach you how to monitor and update social network accounts. Elon's struggling with that last one. You'll return from the Chechen Republic a completely different person, Ilana. That is, Elon. So apparently this was posted on Telegram from this individual. And then Elon brought it to Twitter, where it got a number of likes and retweets, as it would. And then he replied by saying, thank you for the offer, but such excellent training would give me too much of an advantage. If he is afraid to fight, I will agree to use only my left hand. And I am not even left-handed. Signed, Ilana. So there's a bit of fun banter going back and forth, which is kind of hard to believe, to be honest, that that's 2022. That the leader of the Chechen Republic and Elon are going back and forth on training
regiments.
Yeah.
Oh.
And when he beats the hell out of you, a much weaker opponent. Oh my God.
Ilana.
Oh, it's crazy, man. Mo, it's 2022, man.
Bizarre times.
It's 2022, Mo.